So in the middle of all this mess of tools is an installed intercooler. The Eurosport accessories intercooler for the mk4 GTI. This is my video. There's not a whole lot of videos for it on YouTube or anywhere else. It basically attaches to the bumper. The bumper metal is hard as hell. I ended up having to slit it with a grinder and then using DeWalt cobalt bits to get the holes in. But pretty much this is what it looks like. It goes around over here. Oh man, I did the zoom with my phone, and it goes through the plastic cover right there. And basically what I really loved about this kit is that it routes all the pipes underneath the car. This is an 11 bolt with an 11 nut over here, and basically the intercooler goes all the way across to the other side to the pancake pipe over here, and then this part just goes to the intake manifold. Map sensor comes with a gasket and a washer for it. I don't know if that's what they called it, but this was kind of a pain in the ass to install, but it is now installed. And what I really loved about this thing is that I wanted to keep my engine bay looking like this. I don't like the intercooler with the pipe that comes out right here, and since I have my catch can over here, I don't want to relocate it anywhere else. So the Eurosport accessories intercooler was actually perfect for me. I like their products. I have their tie bar in the back, the stress bar, and then I also have the front lower stress bar also. Took me about 4 hours to install it. The hardest part was drilling the damn holes on the bumper, and now it's good. Basically what I'm replacing with this intercooler is this G Plus intercooler that I got from Amazon for about $100, and I got it about a year ago. Went through the stage 2 tune. I'm now doing a stage 2 plus with the mk4, so figured that I would need a better intercooler. Not that this intercooler was doing a bad job, but I also ran out of parts to get for my car, and I really wanted to buy something for the car, and what better than an intercooler by Eurosport. It's got this really nice wrinkled paint on it, and this thing is just freaking amazing. The way it goes underneath everything out over here, and yeah, and just into everything's stock position. So I'm now going to work on the bumper. Basically I cut this with a DeWalt multi-tool. Same thing with the other side, but for now that is the Eurosport video. I think this is going to be the first Eurosport intercooler video for the mk4 GTI, and you know, I just thought I'd share this with you guys just in case you guys were looking at getting the what do you call this, the intercooler from Eurosports. Thanks for watching.